Hello everyone, I am Kayur Garala. I am Sitecore certified developer at Attack Technology. Today I am going to practically explain you how to extend catalog system entity schema in Sitecore Commerce. So this is my local Sitecore Commerce Habitat demo environment. Let me navigate to Sitecore site and display you default sellable item schema. Let me open business tool and merchandise. This is a default catalog. Let me go into the category and then sellable item. This all is default schema. Once I am completed with the project, one new tab appear below the image. Let me jump into the Visual Studio and started our project. So this is a basically Habitat commerce engine, and I am going to add new project under the foundation. So let me just add project plugin, and let me just add extend catalog, and this is a Habitat commerce demo, so that I am going to save this particular project under the SRC foundation catalog. You can save this project in anywhere within your project folder. So looking good. Now clicking on OK. Now it's creating default classes, block and configure file which are required for the commerce plugin. Second step, I need to give reference to our engine so that our engine can identify newly created project. So I just going to add our newly created project reference into our engine. Now I am not going to create any API kind of the things, so I don't want this default classes, so I am deleted all the classes one by one. So this configure service.cs class is required for register our old block. So right now I am not going to delete it. I just comment some of the code, so it's not stop our debugging or build process. Everything looks good. Before I started, let me navigate to the Sitecore article which explain all the things in detail. So let's start one by one things. First we require to add reference of catalog plugin. Let me just add Sitecore Commerce plugin catalog reference. Catalog. Now I am using a 9.2, so I require 4.0.63. If you are going to use 9.3, then you require higher version of this particular catalog. Now reference added successfully. Now I am going to start with the component. First I am going to create a component class, name as a notes component. Now give the reference sitecore.commerce.core. Now this is a public class, so I am going to write public and inherited by component. Now I am going to create two property for our catalog, so let me just copy that two property from Sitecore article. So one is warranty information, and then second one is a internal notes. So additionally I am write down display name above the property, so that I am using this name into our view as a label. So whatsoever we want to display in label, just write under the name. So first one is warranty information. Just copy this entire thing, paste before second one property and rename it. Internal note. Now this article have each and everything, like all the function, all the blocks, and all the classes which are required for extend our catalog. Let me just stop this video, create all the things, then I will be explain each and everything. So all are created. As you see that I am already created all the classes from article into our project. Apart from all classes, I am created one additional class extension for the get all property display name and return as a string, so that we can use that particular name into our label. So let me explain one or two class which are required for our code. So this is a populate note action block responsible for our pop-up, and this is a get note view block which are responsible for all control under that particular pop-up. So basically this code is checking if it is a sellable item, then and then I am going to add some code like add property kind of the things, else I am going to return as it is. So if I am scroll down and show you that this is a function in which I am writing get display method and some of the other code uh, which rendering HTML controller under the view. So apart from this, I have created some of the policy classes which help us to manage label kind of the things. This is a configure service class in which I am writing some of the pipeline and inject or blow kind of the things. So let's run this engine, but before run this engine I need to stop current IIS engine, commerce engine. So let me stop that particular engine. Let me go to the my engine site and then commerce authentication. I just stop it. Now let's rebuild our commerce engine so that our updated code will be attached with our engine. It's required some time for rebuild entire engine. Now all rebuild successfully. Now I am going to run this project. Now engine up and running successfully on localhost 500. Let me go to the browser side and navigate to our business tool. You can see all requests served by engine. Go to merchandise, catalog, and select any category. Now I am going to add a new sellable item. click on OK. Go to sellable item and scroll down. Now below the image, new tab appear. It says notes. Our newly created property, you can see in the pop-up. I'm going to enter some dummy data and save it. So our new field appear under the sellable item. Now let me go into the content editor side, so that I'm going to show you what process are done in the template side. But before displaying template, I need to refresh commerce cache, delete all the template and update all the template. So this update template, it's go to our backend side and generate one new template and inherited that particular newly created template into sellable item template. So it's required some time. You can see all the requests coming over here. Now all updated successfully. Let me navigate to template site, commerce, and then catalog. You can see that a newly created notes template available over here and with our fields. Now let me show you the sellable item. So note template, it's already inherited in sellable item. So this is the entire process done by our plugin or our project. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please send me the mail on query@attack.in.